Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to disable Control Center on the lock screen of your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments after watching. And let us get started with you friends. And when you have, let's say you turn off your iPhone. After you turn it on, the lock screen appears, and if you swipe from the right side, you can see the Control Center. But it can easily be turned off. Right now I'm unlocked because I'm signed in and I'm already being scanned by Face ID, but if someone else does it, they may not see it. I'm going to show you how to disable Control Center. First of all, please go on your iPhone to Settings, and then you'll need to scroll down and find the Face ID and Password option. If you have, let's say, an iPhone with a button, then this will be called, if I'm not mistaken, Touch ID and Password. After you click on this feature, please see the password of your iPhone. And next, you'll need to scroll to the very bottom to find this section right here. And you need to find an option called Control Center. And to turn it off, just click on this button right here so that it turns gray, like in my case. That will indicate that Control Center is disabled. Friends, this is the method you can easily disable Control Center on lock screen on iPhone. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. See you friends!